In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect PostgreSQL to n8n. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how to link these two systems and start automating workflows seamlessly. Let's get started. First, head over to n8n.io. If you've used n8n before, simply sign in with your credentials. If you're new, you can quickly create an account. n8n is a powerful automation tool that helps you connect apps, services, and databases, so having an account set up will be useful for many future workflows. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the n8n dashboard. From here, click the plus icon labeled Add First Step. This allows you to start building a new automation workflow. Think of it as adding the first building block. Next, you'll see a list of available nodes. In the search bar, type HTTP request and select it when it appears. The HTTP request node is essential because it allows n8n to communicate with external services and APIs. This is commonly used when working with databases like PostgreSQL through REST endpoints. After selecting the HTTP request, you'll need to choose an HTTP method. This step is important because each method performs a different action. Get retrieves data, post sends data, put updates data, delete removes data. Choose the method that matches what you want to do with your PostgreSQL database. Next, enter the URL. This URL should point to the endpoint that connects to your PostgreSQL database, such as an API or service that exposes your database securely. Make sure the URL is accurate, as this is where the request will be sent. Now it's time to configure authentication. Authentication is crucial for security. Choose the method that matches your setup, such as basic auth, header auth, or another supported option. Enter the required credentials carefully to ensure secure access to your PostgreSQL data. Before moving on, double-check all fields: HTTP method, URL, headers, and authentication to avoid connection errors. Finally, click Execute Step. This runs the HTTP request and sends it to your PostgreSQL endpoint. Watch the response panel closely to confirm that the connection was successful. And that's it. You've successfully connected PostgreSQL to n8n. With this setup, you can now automate tasks like syncing data, triggering workflows, or processing database records without manual intervention. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!